Right, assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to the update of Pepe. So today's Wednesday, it's 6th of March already. I've had so many response on the Discord asking me, hey Adam Coins, tell us the coin that you think is going to move. And there's something known as a good greed and a bad greed, okay? So greed is important in this market. Having a little bit of greed is really important, right? Fear in itself is something else, but greed is really important. But there is a time when to become greedy, and there is a time when greedy is just going to be against you. Now, at the moment, if I ask you, Pepe has already moved to the upside. It has been pumping for the past few days. Is greed good at the moment or is it bad at the moment? Okay, but if I asked you, is greed right now good that you are in accumulation? Do you think you should be greedy when the market is a little bit low? Maybe perhaps that's a good place to be greedy. This might not really be, but let's talk about this one. Can it actually continue to pump to the upside? All right, and stick till the end of the video because I'm going to tell you a presentation of a potential coin that I think is good. And I think your greed can actually be pretty decent on that particular coin. There are some few signs that are exceptional for Pepe because Pepe is beating two giants in volume. Okay, if I show you ICP right now. ICP has 184 million in the past 24 hours in trading volume with a very strong buy, right? If I show you XRP, just hold on and it's going to make a lot of sense. If I showed you XRP, XRP has 856 million in the past 24 hours. And if I show you Cardano, and Cardano does have nearly 417 million, which else could actually be a giant of a coin? What about what about Matic, right? So let's look at Polygon Matic. How much does Polygon Matic have in the past 24 hours? 350 million volume. And then if we check in the chain link, this is going to give you 400 or perhaps 245 million. But what about Pepe, right? Look at Pepe. Pepe has nearly, how much is this right now? You can already see in the past 24 hours, it's 1.292 billion. Okay, on the Binance, beating all these very good, excellent projects, Pepe has a lot of volume, which also has a rating, technical rating of the buy. It's actually showing that people or the big investors are actually still buying it. They're not kind of selling Pepe. So does that mean that Pepe is still good to go and kill 1-0? Are we actually going to push to the upside? Well, we're going to see. So there is one condition for us to continue to push to the upside. I made a video yesterday of reaccumulation where we could be looking at Pepe trading between 800, 600 and something like that. So from this price here, we actually saw Pepe yesterday dipping down 42%. And I told you in yesterday's video, if there's going to be reaccumulation, we might be looking at 30-40% sideways movement, but it actually could create reaccumulation to continue to go to the upside, okay? And which leaves me with one pattern on the 1 hour time frame. So this pattern here, you are, and this is the time of truth. So I'm going to remove all the drawings, and if Pepe crosses this area, you are looking for a little bit of an extended move, and that's going to be from the top to the bottom, and we could actually be looking at Pepe finally killing the zero to 11,999. So you're sitting at 77 at the moment. So if you do break above and push up, that's actually going to be another 50% pump to the upside. Now, the coin here, if you look at Pepe previously, is actually something that I call accumulation. So there's a very good time to buy coins, and that good time is always accumulation. So when you see a market moving sideways for a long time, it's accumulation. This is Pepe, this is ICP accumulation, this is bonk accumulation, and then a push to the upside. This is Dodge accumulation with a push to the upside. This is SHIB with a push. And the next one is basically this mysterious coin right over here. And if you look, this was back in 2000 or maybe 1.5 years ago, and it's actually still at the very same place even after 1.5 years. It has not pumped. The only thing you got to do is to get it for free. go down, click on Discord, come to the announcement, click on my name, and message me that you're coming from the Pepe video, and I'm going to tell you for free. And that's all for this update. I'm going to see you with the next one in the office.